Orbimatic designed a completely new concept of welding with the open weld head series OrbiWeld TP. With the helical gearing on the rotor design, it enables the motor assembly to be hidden in the weld head body base and therefore allows an extreme small and compact design. The TP weld heads, like the enclosed series, also have an integrated switch plate assembly for easier operation. The clamp blade adjustment for positioning onto the pipe is fully variable. For mounting the weld head onto the pipe, the torch arm can be raised out of the way into a locked position. The pipe can now be centered in the clamp blades, and the torch arm can be lowered so that the follower roller has contact with the pipe surface. The arc length can be adjusted and regulated at all times, even during the welding operation with the follower roller adjuster. During the welding process, the cable assembly is held away by guide bolts to avoid contact with the hot pipe. When additional material is required, the OrbiWeld 400, 600 and OrbiWeld 1000 can be equipped with a wire feeder assembly. With its compact size and easy handling, the wire feeder has a short transport distance to assure a synchronized wire feeding for site usage. Due to the constructional conditions, this type of external wire feed is the preferred option for continuous wire transmission. The wire pulse rate and speed can be individually corrected by fine adjustment.